How you doing, Steve?
We handled it now.
Got him. Cuff him.
Let me introduce you to a man named Steve Booth. On June 15th, 2001, dispatch responded to a disturbance call, and this is what happened. Booth proceeded to run full speed at Deputy Tollickson and headbutted him straight in the face, causing significant injury that we will discuss later. For now, let's take a listen.
Oh, please!
Stop.
No! I'm double back! You gotta let me actually do the thing! It's almost here now!
You got your ankle cuffs? Yeah, go get him. We got one.
This puzzle's gotta stop backwards! Crazy!
Check out Eric.
It's just temporary.
This ain't gonna work. Steve, you need an ambulance? You need an ambulance.
Do you want me to
Sit him up.
You need an ambulance. Stand up.
Here, let's help you up, bud.
No, wait. Ask the questions backwards.
Do you need an ambulance? You're under arrest, just so you know.
Exactly.
Hang on, boss.
No, don't.
Just be calm. Do you need an ambulance?
He get you? Or? Yeah, I'd see that.
Oh, they got everybody in control. We're all killing ourselves and we win if we walk away now. Whoa! Stop pointing me. You're actually fucking killing me right now.
Then relax.
All right.
For a reason.
Relax.
We're good. We're good.
Do you need an ambulance, Steve?
Now they're gonna.
Do you need an ambulance?
Take him ourselves. He's going to be better secured in the squad than he would be in an ambulance. He's breathing good.
Really has been running.
Do you want to drink
I'm not
water?
sure he's interested, but we can try.
No, please.
You want to drink of water?
Put me on the spot.
I mean, it's your call, Tully. I'm just saying we could put him in the back of a
I'm gonna have to get my jaw checked. I gotta get my jaw checked.
As soon as
Did he get
you.
you? I thought he got somebody. Yeah.
As soon as you guys.
I take him.
Where's my life now? What's the point? No, seriously, my thumb. These cuffs are really hurting me.
20. Vernon, you can cancel EMS.
Love you guys. We're all winning right now, but someone realize the craziest thing. No, my thumb's really hurting.
Your thumbs are fine, dude.
Don't black me out. Ants marching is the point. Please stop. You're freezing my hand. Can I?
Your hand is free.
Well, let's see if we can get him up on his feet.
Break our bonds.
All right, we're going to roll you onto your butt here.
It'll help.
All right, can you sit up?
I want us all.
All right, bud. I'm going to have you stand up.
Stand up.
1, 2.
All right. Come over here.
Let's see, put your feet in. Turn around, sit on your butt.
Thank you.
There you go. Swing your feet in.
You fucking saved my life.
All right, man. Can you get your feet in there? It's cool in there. I got the air conditioner on.
You got me in the cage. I'm exactly free. I want to work with you.
Okay.
Okay.
Scoot in a little further for me then.
I just
There
asked
you go.
all the questions at once.
There you go. Watch your knee.
Okay, I'm working.
There you go. I'm not messing around. We'll just go.
I'm gonna have to get a quick statement from these guys.
Okay, that's fine.
Then I'm gonna have to go in and
Then you can come in and get checked out.
get my jaw checked.
I did. They're letting Lieutenant know, so.
You have to get a case number. All right. Hello. Oh, this freaking guy, Jason.
Okay.
I just gotta get my jaw checked, make sure I didn't break my jaw.
You all right, Steve?
Yeah.
All right, man.
We all need to turn around and work together. Wow, this wasn't far, guys. I just all the questions that made me crazy.
Well, we're gonna take you to the hospital, get you checked out, and make sure you're okay right now.
No, I'm resetting.
Okay, good.
Here, if you guys can help me sit up straight, I can solve the problem myself.
Okay. You're sitting up there. Or you mean straight back? I misunderstood you.
You got me. I needed help and I couldn't figure out what I needed to be. I just wanna be free of my worries and live my way. Jeez, you know what, you guys? Could you let me recruit you to be my friends right now? All this motion and shit's dropped. I'm trying to recover, troops. I need to bring it home the lost chess piece. The last standing backstop. It turns out I found my craziness. I need my home to bring back their scout. They lost the scout. Your dad stood over you when you were playing, you know, with the kitty cat and just standing there watching you, liking the gameplay of that.
Later, Steve stated he was trying to reset himself, so he looked for something to hit his head on and struck Deputy Tollickson in the face.
So one of the issues, Steve, is when you were outside and you had flipped around, you actually ended up injuring one of our officers.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
So
I wasn't conscious. I couldn't. I was trying to bash my head against something so I could turn my head off.
I'll just let you hold tight there for a second till they come out. DC, trespassing, and assaulting officer.
Please.
And like I said, Steve, that may change. Don't go on that wholeheartedly, but
You don't have to double down, triple down. You've
nope.
already.
And honestly, I haven't even talked to the deputy yet that got injured, so I still got those that may change. I don't know.
Steve was released that same day on a $2,000 bond, and just 2 days later, Deputy Tollickson was found unresponsive on his floor at home. The headbutt from Steve caused blunt force trauma, in which a blood clot caused a severe stroke in Deputy Tollickson. Following this incident, the sheriff's office wanted to question and arrest Steve for battery. Now, later that same day, the sheriff's office got calls claiming that a male was acting very strange, playing Frogger in the traffic, running through the woods, and jumping in the creek. At this point, we can all assume it had to be Steve. Let's watch.
Take that fucking patch off!
I'll get him my fucking self.
Let's
go,
Come
Slick.
up here and take these leads out
Come
of
on.
my fucking deal.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Time to go.
Jump, jump, jump. Give me the dog too, motherfucking butt. Hey, you smell that up on the backside here? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Stay down.
He died. Right up, it's right there. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna shit my pants.
5, Vernon.
Hey, let me take my time.
5, go ahead.
Hey, there's Bernie that one there. Yeah.
95.
Got him?
Yeah, you think that looks like a Collectober?
What? Yep.
Yeah, see?
He's right here.
He did that.
Your car over there?
Yeah, I was gonna say, I think I'm gonna bring it right down through here.
Make space.
You have to pay for the entertainment.
Take your time.
Yeah.
Because when I'm through with you,
Careful with your arms, dude. There's nothing but burning metal back there.
Yeah.
take your time when I'm flocking your... Hey, dude! You get to get in here.
You got gloves?
Yeah, I got gloves. Oh. Oh, thanks. No, back up, back up. Hey.
I'm back.
Yeah, it sounds like fucking popcorn time. Yesterday's Wednesday talk tuba test, but oh, there's that fucking good one too.
All right, are we gonna do this like adults?
Talk to him. He's fucking playing in spit.
Hey,
Hey, this little.
hey, listen carefully.
That's,
All right.
oh.
We can either get along really good or really not
Yeah,
good.
good.
I need a Cropero squad.
Yeah.
Scott, that side. Scott,
That's a.
Scott.
This ain't Pop Dean, Force Dean, Squish Dean, Scratch Deans. Come on.
You done searched?
No.
Hey, check it out. Peekaboo. Oh, hit the spit back and forth. Oh, 16 Crew. Oh, there's a slug getting in on it too. Hey, can you scratch Dean? Oh. Oh. It's right here.
These cops double locked? No. Probably not.
Oh, this is Pop Dean, Squish Dean, Scratch
Whose are
Deans.
they? Mine.
Oh, it's really you. Peekaboo.
Right,
What's
this
this?
way, Mr. Bill.
Is this what happens when you fucking lost Dean Scratch to those? Wait, no. It's really true.
Put your foot up.
How have we been talking?
Right there.
How about no? Times Q. Oh, shit.
Get in.
Oh, wait for this. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Popcorn, Bunstein, Scratch Thorn.
Put your feet down on the floor and sit up.
How about? Bruce
Come on.
screen.
How about you hop
Scratch scoot skiing. Oh, pop do toot skiing. Hey, more bling
You guys gotta put his feet down so you can pull him up.
I don't know, pop teen fork skiing, skiing,
On that side. Come on, Steve.
Yeah, fuck me, popcorn. Hey, look at.
Put your knee down.
Huh?
Put this leg down. Put your leg down. Come on.
When?
Put your left leg down.
Hey, look, I know how to build a 14-notch skiing scratch skis.
Get him on his side.
Butthole pop croc skis. Oh, more punch skis.
Get that foot in.
This is real.
Get that foot in. Yep. Jake, hand me a seatbelt.
You're listening to this. Oh, shit, no.
Get that foot in.
Fuck you, squared. Oh, people. Ooh. Did you see that pouring? Oh, it's bubbling out of my butthole. Volcanic. Oh, there's that fucking bling again. Marshall, too.
All right, you got it.
Okay. Hey, this spot. That was fucking.
All right. I'm expediting to the jail. Jason, we don't need med clearance, do we?
So what was my name?
You don't remember your name? What do you think your name is?
I didn't really think about it.
What do you want to be called? How about we call you Steve? I don't know, Steve's a nice name. I'm not speeding.
Hold on, man, please. Fuck, you're scaring me.
We're not even going the speed limit. We're going under it.
I'm really sensitive. Whatever I did, I just came out of it. My eyes are really seeing a lot of fucking world right now, guy. Yeah, here it is, right there. See? Peekaboo game and pop, that's me, but no!
3, I'm gonna have a shooting here as well.
What are you trying to do, Steve?
Whoa, here we go. Boom! Fucking kidding me.
10-4, 170, thanks
I
for
had to
research.
live my own motherfucking fucked up goddamn motherfucking
Yeah,
life!
not a problem.
And I was supposed to be safe. I was like, that's cool. I want to be Steve. And I was like, I can't talk to everybody fast enough because I'm broke. I'm so broke.
16 burn, I'll be on the ramp.
Fucking nightmare every time I said put a bullet in my head. I really
10-4, 16.
I didn't put a bullet in my head.
That was a fun ride. No. I got called sir a couple of times, and I got called a bunch of other names I'm not going to repeat while my body cam's still on, but yeah, it's going to be on until he gets booked. I got to find my gloves. Where's that jail staff at? Hiding? We're going to get him out, book him, and then run him for clearance. You need gloves, Justin.
Hey, how goes it today? How are you doing? You gonna be good? Okay. All right.
He's very up and down right now.
All right.
He wants to bring him in, try to get him in the restraint chair, and then take him over for med clearance.
Fucking smack the smile.
How you got?
Chair ain't gonna fit in the van.
No.
If we can get him changed, we'll shackle him real good, get him in there, and one of us and one of you guys, if you got staffing for it, will run over and get the med clearance.
Ready?
It's unlocked. Yeah, well, you were you didn't want to put your legs in, remember?
Which time?
When we tried getting you in the car.
No, I fucking died twice, man.
You died twice?
You fucking took me to the hospital both fucking times.
No, we didn't.
Yeah.
We're gonna take you to get your hands looked at.
Well, if you were listening to me, I was telling the fucking story.
Steve, right here though. Okay? Have you step out?
I'm not safe with you guys. You just sat there with
Steve,
your
I
backs
just
to me.
let you out
Can you take me to the hospital?
We're gonna get you to the hospital. We're gonna get you changed though first, so you don't go in all this wet stuff.
Wait, you mean to tell me I died last Thursday, the Smockstein Sproxticles, your 14th, 12th, 14th, please? Take these motherfucking off, me. Wait.
Step out.
You better listen this time, mister. You just fucking. Oh my God. You're gonna make me fucking do this. Look. Listen.
So you don't fall.
Look at my thumbs and I'm telling you the part that hurts me. Maybe I make you go feel this yet? Oh, just pull my fucking dick out in front of the whole crew. Everybody want to see? I can shove all you want my.
So I'm gonna have you raise your right leg back up.
Guys, if we all work together,
Yep.
look, it's a dance. Not so hard.
I'm gonna.
You look at all these guys are gonna kick my ass.
No, we're not gonna kick your ass.
And Harley was just
Mushrooms.
all right, Steve. Off to the hospital.
Has this been the second time I died then?
Well, you said you died twice before we got here. Did you die when you were here?
I was trying to build for you guys. That
What's
made
that?
me do this. Eternity of not fucking having to need money. That's
Yeah?
all I wanted to do. Oh, my knees. Get me out of the sun, please. Can I go this way?
Nope, we're gonna go right over here.
Okay, I'm gonna go a little faster.
Yeah.
So,
I'll
get
keep up
behind
with
me.
your pace. Don't trip and fall though, okay?
No, shit's going nuts. My fucking. Oh! No, let's slow down until you get fucking sunburned.
No, you're almost
I
in the
think-
shade, Steve. Come on.
I don't think you could pull me another fucking centimeter.
No?
I'm gonna volunteer.
That's good.
Come on, don't push me against my hurting knees.
Which knee's hurting? Both of them?
Yeah. I was fucking bouncing my mock skulls to try to make some fucking plan, and I was so short on time that I knew the plan. It was all in my head, and I didn't have time to write it down and give it to anybody. Oh, I was so fucking sore when I died that first time. I got all the stuff. It turns out I was living this life. Excuse me, guys. You guys seen farmers before, right?
Yeah.
Anybody looking that cares?
No.
Now, I'm not gonna lie, I feel bad for both parties involved here. Deputy Talixon received a lifelong disability, and poor Steve, well, his family has to deal with a man who's mentally incapable of dealing with life on life's terms. However, if you made it this far in the video, I'd like to thank you. And if you want to see another crazy one, check out this one right over here. Peace out, y'all be easy.